Why does minus before parenthesis minus give a plus, while plus before parenthesis plus stays a plus? Hi, have you ever wondered why the expression minus before parenthesis minus results in a plus, while plus before parenthesis plus remains a plus? If you remember your school years, sometimes we wrote numbers like this, but more often like this. This notation is called the explicit form. Here, it is clear that the plus symbol represents a sign of the number, indicating that b is positive. Similarly, we sometimes wrote negative numbers like this, but more often like this. In this notation, the minus symbol also indicates the sign of the number, meaning that b is negative. I am explaining this because in the questions below I will explicitly show numbers in the signed form. This will help you clearly distinguish where addition and subtraction operations occur and where the numbers are simply positive or negative. If you are unsure when the symbols plus and minus represent mathematical operations and when they indicate the sign of number, there is a video on this channel about that. Let's say I bought a plot of land, and let's imagine a cross-section of the land plot. And I want to bring in some soil. As a unit of measurement, we will use 1 cubic meter of soil. Let's visualize it as a square. If I bring in 1 cubic meter of soil, I can mathematically express this as plus 1 in the parentheses. As you can see, I have already added 1 cubic meter of soil. If I add another cubic meter, mathematically it would be expressed as follows. In this case, I have brought in 1 more cubic meter of soil. As a result, I have a positive value of 2. But I won't write it like that. Now let's introduce a negative number 1. In the equation, you can see that we need to add a negative cubic meter of soil. And how can we represent this in our example? After all, we easily represented positive number 1 as a real cubic meter of soil. But how to be negative cubic meter of soil? The answer is simply, we represent it as missing soil. As you can see, the negative number 1 means that 1 cubic meter of soil is missing from my plot. What did I actually do to have minus 1 cubic meter of soil? To create this situation, I dug out 1 cubic meter of soil and give it to my friend. That's why, in our example, the expression plus before parenthesis minus 1 turns into minus before parenthesis plus 1. To eliminate the missing cubic meter of soil, I can add back one of my positive cubic meter of soil. As a result, I will have plus 1 cubic meter of soil. In our example, this represents mutual cancellation. You might be thinking that I could have simply given my friend one of my positive cubic meters of soil, and you would be right. As shown in the part of the problem, I could have just handed my friend 1 cubic meter of soil instead of digging it up. But I did it this way to show you why, in our example, the expression plus before parenthesis minus 1 turns into minus before parenthesis plus 1. What if I have minus 2 cubic meters of soil? Mathematically, I express this as. Now, let's write it like this. What does minus 1 mean here? This part of the problem tells us, remove 1 missing cubic meter of soil. How do we do that? It is quite simple. Since a shortage of soil is represented by a negative number, eliminating that shortage means adding 1 positive cubic meter of soil. Thus, in the expression minus before parenthesis minus 1 can be rewritten as plus before parenthesis plus 1. Double negation eliminates the shortage, meaning mathematically 2 minuses make a plus. Now you understand why a minus before parenthesis minus turns into a plus, while a plus before parenthesis plus stays the same. We explored this concept using a simple soil example. When we remove a shortage of soil, we were actually adding it back. The principle applies not only in everyday situations but also in mathematics. I hope this explanation made things clear for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more explanations of mathematical concepts in a simple way. Thanks you for watching. Bye.